Camtasia, formerly Camtasia Studio, is a software suite, created and published by TechSmith, for creating video tutorials and presentations directly via screencast, or via a direct recording plug-in to Microsoft PowerPoint. The screen area to be recorded can be chosen freely, and audio or other multimedia recordings may be recorded at the same time or added separately from any other source and integrated in the Camtasia component of the product. Both versions of Camtasia started as enhanced screen capture programs and have evolved to integrate screen capture and post-processing tools targeted at the educational and information multimedia development marketplace. Camtasia consists of two major components, Camtasia Recorder and Camtasia Editor. In Camtasia Recorder, the presenter can start and stop recording with the hotkey combination at any time, at which point the recording can be halted and Camtasia Recorder can render the input that has been captured into a ComRec format. The ComRec file can be saved to disk or directly imported into the Camtasia component for editing. Camtasia Recorder allows audio recording while screen capturing is in progress, so the presenter can capture live narration during a demonstration or presentation. Camtasia also supports dubbing in other audio tracks or voice-over during post-capture editing. Users may also download an add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint that will allow them to initiate recording of a presentation from within PowerPoint itself. In Camtasia Editor, multimedia objects of various formats can be imported into the clip library and arrange them in time order and stack tracks using the timeline form of user controls. Overlays of various types may be added, including user-defined settings, such as when and how to display the cursor and pan and zoom effects such as the Ken Burns effect. Camtasia for Windows V8 and Camtasia for Mac V2 offer options to enhance sections of the recorded screen to draw attention via a cursor or drawn-in pointer to highlight sections of the screen or to better illustrate the actions of the presenter on the screen. Another feature is the ability to save media clips within the Library tab, keeping a user from having to repeatedly import commonly used media clips, files. Camtasia's shortcomings noted in the PC World Review of January 17, 2013 and CNET Review of June 19, 2012 are as follows. Rotation of objects is applied via a dialog rather than interactively, though many lower-priced video editors do provide interactive rotation and manipulation of objects such as text and video frames. Recording live from a DV camera is not supported. Still potentially overwhelming for the introductory user, tempered by the tutorial material available. Note the V8 release is a complete rewrite, so much of the prior tutorial material written for the popular Camtasia V6 and V7 software for Microsoft Windows is not usable with this release. Audio handling has minimal capabilities and no integration with other packages compared to some competitors in this price range. Lacks any video clip manipulation or integration with other packages that have such capabilities.